Hello there and welcome to this lesson, Key Stage 3 English, and this is all about adjectives. So let's just go through this together. So adjectives provide information about nouns. Adjectives of quality tell you what a thing is like, such as good dog or a pink towel or a careful driver. So adjectives are very simple and straightforward. So the dog is good and the good is the adjective. The towel is pink in description and pink is the adjective. The driver is very careful and careful is the adjective. So adjectives of quantity tell you how many or how much. For example, 2 cats, some tea, few boys. So you can split up adjectives into quality and quantity as well. Comparatives and superlatives make comparisons. So what are they? So comparatives, adjectives are kinder, tastier, better, worse, more helpful, not hopefuller. All right, so these are some examples of comparative adjectives. Superlative adjectives are very similar. So the kindest rather than kinder, tastiest rather than tastier, best, worst, most, hopeful. Point number 3, nouns and verbs can often be used as adjectives. So for example, nouns such as door, stop, coat, hook, feather, bed, these are nouns. Verbs, on the other hand, hunting party, because you've got the verb hunting. Fishing trip, fishing is a doing word, so it's a verb. Waiting game, waiting is a doing word, so it's a verb. So within the adjectives themselves, you can also use nouns and verbs. So nouns and verbs can often be used as adjectives as well. Point number 4, careful choice of adjectives can make a description more vivid or accurate. For example, wobbly eyes, long skinny arms, huge head, pale green skin, or several mouths. So remember, adjectives give information about nouns. Comparatives mostly end in ER, so comparative adjective words mostly end in ER. Superlatives, adjectives, mostly end in EST, which make comparisons. So nouns and verbs can be used as adjectives, and adjectives make description more vivid or accurate. So next time you're doing a piece of writing in terms of English language techniques, you can actually use comparatives and superlatives as examples. You can use nouns and verbs as adjectives as examples, and that's something that will really impress the examiner or your teacher in school as well. Okay, so you've got follow-up questions on this. Good luck, and we will cover these questions one by one in class like we usually do. Thank you.